Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this before and after transitions on CapCut. So you can start by adding a clip, or you can also add more than one clip. And after that, if you add only one clip, you can just split the clip into two. For example, I'm going to split in here, and after that, click on this transition box. Then here you can just click on the mask here, the mask category, scroll down and then click on this comparison transition. Adjust the durations to your liking, click on the check icon and then click on the second video and just make some edits or some changes to make the before and after more obvious. So for example, here I'm going to use filter on the second video. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this inception filter on the second video. Click on a check icon, and now this is the result for the before and after. So this is the before and here is the after. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.